Hi, in this video, we will compare the three popular funnel builders for marketers: Systeme.io, Builderall, and ClickFunnels. Systeme.io is ideal for beginners and those on a budget. Its user-friendly interface and core marketing functionalities are perfect for entrepreneurs starting out. Systeme.io has a drag-and-drop interface and is considered beginner-friendly. Systeme.io is designed for building sales funnels, email marketing, and managing online courses. It offers a free plan with limited features, and paid plans are generally cheaper than Builderall and ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is primary objective to help you create appealing sales funnels that will increase your chances of converting visitors to leads and then to customers without any technical help or knowledge. It features a drag-and-drop visual editor for efficiently creating landing pages, an extensive library of pre-built sales funnels and template, conversion data tracking tools, and multiple A/B testing options. Therefore, ClickFunnels offers comprehensive lead management tools to increase your lead-to-customer conversion rate. ClickFunnels offers many integrations to help you optimize your sales funnels and landing pages, including Twilio, Shopify, WordPress, Salesforce, and more. It also integrates with Zapier to give you access to many more apps and services. On the other hand, Builderall caters to more experienced users and businesses requiring a comprehensive marketing suite. Its extensive tools demand a bit more learning, but offer greater control. Builderall offers a wider range of tools, including website building, video editing, SEO tools, and more. It provides more flexibility for customizing your funnels and web pages. Builderall's interface might have a steeper learning curve for beginners. Builderall does not have a free plan. Paid plans are also more expensive than Systeme.io, but offer significantly more features. Overall, Systeme.io is better because it's easy to use, has lots of useful features such as intuitive A/B testing and pre-built landing page templates, and also has a completely free plan. If you want to use Systeme.io for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.